Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your laptop OS and that you have administrator rights. This is required to change DNS. Once done, decide on a trusted public DNS provider, Cloudflare 1, Google 8, or Open DNS 208, 67, 222. 222 are common choices for reliability. Now open your network settings and locate the active adapter. Make sure you note the current IP4 settings before editing so you can restore them if needed. You now change the DNS entries. Open the adapter properties, select Internet Protocol IP4, and click Properties or Advanced. Next, switch from automatic DNS to manual and type the primary and secondary DNS addresses you picked earlier. Enter them exactly. After saving, immediately disable and re-enable the adapter or restart the laptop so the new DNS takes effect. Make sure you test resolution by pinging Facebook.com or opening the site in a browser. To finish, verify DNS resolution using enslookup or dig for Facebook.com so you see which server responded. Once done, flush your local DNS cache. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac OS, use sudo killall HUPM DNS responder, so cached failures are cleared. If Facebook still won't load, make sure you didn't mistype addresses, revert to previous settings, and try a different trusted DNS provider. Troubleshooting tip: test with another device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.